Feedback distortion. She's had an abortion. It lives in a bucket that's under the bed. Pickled in pus, she presents it to us with a picture of Daddy, pretending he's dead. Imbecilic, pedophilic peddler of deceit. Psychopathic, pornographic juggler of deceit. Do you believe in miracles I used to long ago? Until I read the literature of Edgar Allan Poe. Seduced by his integrity, deflowered by his scorn. I feel a certain sympathy for every child that's born. I used to know myself until I looked inside my head. My conscience felt secluded when it found my soul was dead. But now my automatic body works in fits and starts. No more empty conversations. No more lonely heart. Do you believe in fairy tales? I used to have a dream, but I don't mean that much to you, and you're not what you seem. So don't you make a fuss of me or shower me with lies. I never was attracted to your disembodied eyes. Joanna Bellybutton, your bingo wings are made of mutton. Transfixed in a temple ball tinted tornado, I reach for my compass and cane. To teach me the time with a ring and a rhyme is to tell me it's time to abstain. Solitude sisters and cynics of sorrow and parsons with pictures of Poe, past people in poverty pining for pleasure, and peasants with nowhere to go. Lotus buds linger and fudge on your finger, its sweetness and thirst is for wine. As smoke-salute suffragettes wander the system, and missionaries mock their decline. Miming and mouthing the mugs and the martyrs, the pipeline is pickled with prayer. Choosing and churching and always still searching for someone who's never been there. Chop for a change, I've been chopping and changing. I've seen you before in that skirt. Shall I show shyly in my big yellow smiley? Or would you go home if I flirt? Capture me frantic, so crude and pedantic, a shit for a shirky charade. Then make me hang humbly, still hoping for heartburn. Or leave me to rot in the yard, for she wants to bleed in the Garden of Eden, and he wants to know where to go. You're still up there with the wind in your hair, whilst I'm biding my time down below. Joanna Bellybutton, your bingo wings are made of mutton. Feedback distortion, you've had an abortion, it lives in a bucket that's under the bed. Pickled in pus, you present it to us with a picture of Daddy, pretending he's dead. Daddy who killed a guy on the train. Yes, Daddy, Papa killed a guy on the train. Joanna.